Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I will talk about the life. Every person is knows life is very short and we don't know how many days we have lived in the world and we don't know when our last day will come in our life. But sometimes we waste our time in angry, jealousy and useless activities. But you always remember every moment is precious. Yes, every moment is precious. Use your life for good anything. Use your life for good anything. Helping others, spreading kinding, and remembering Allah. And you don't wait for tomorrow. You don't wait for tomorrow because tomorrow is not promised. So live today in the world with pure love, with gratitude, and with pure heart. And that is the way to make this short life meaningful. Thank you so much for this listening and watching this video, and I want you will see my next video and you will comment in this video about the life. Comment section is open and I am also waiting for your comment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.